Stars, welcome to Tiffany Rothes Workouts, and it is 2017. Yes, and I want to tell you guys, it does not matter what happened in the past. The only thing that matters is today. So today you're going to start. Today you're going to be fit, fierce, and fabulous. And each and every day that you wake up, come and see me. These 10-minute workouts, you can mix and match and put them together for an amazing workout. Make sure that you subscribe so you can get all the workouts. And if you want my VIP plan, like the #1 Rothes Stars, join the Tiffany Rothes Fit Club at www.trfc.com. And here we go. Side to side. Good. I just want you to feel it. And move those hips. 4, 3, 2. Roll your shoulders back. Mueve los hombros por atrás. Good. Caderas lado a lado. 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Good. Brazos. Voy a hablar en dos idiomas. I'm going to speak in 2 languages because I have my Latinas and my Americanas. Here we go. Reach up. Good. Now let me see you. Come up on your toe a little bit. Estira los brazos. Arriba. Con sonrisas. Let me see you smile. Enjoy it. Love yourself. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now take your hands together. Side to side. That's it. Good. Pull it. Pull the elbows. Side to side. Jala los codos. Lado a lado. Ok, vamos a usar una toalla. Ok. Hay una toalla en el piso. Up. 4, 3, 2. Now 2 times each side. Go 1, 2. That's it. Now we're going to work the waist. In order to do that, we got to move those hips. Shake that booty. 4. There we go. 3, 2, and 1. Now here we go. Put the crown on your head. This is your crown. You're a queen, ladies. Good. Póngase la corona sobre la cabeza. Círculo con las caderas. Así es. Círculo. Good. Mantenga esa corona ya. Estoy aquí con Karen y Silvia. Haciendo las rutinas con ustedes. I'm here with my girls, Karen and Silvia. We are queens today. Let's go. 4, 3, 2, hands together. Let's go. That's it. I want you to have some fun. That's it. No matter where you are in your fitness regime, today is the day that matters. That's it. I want you to put on your crown and work that waist. Here we go. Put it on. Now circle. Circle. That's it. They say heavy is the head that wears the crown because you got to wear that crown and get it done every day. That's it. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now put your arms up, bend the knees. That's it. We're going to work the lower back a little bit. Vamos a trabajar la espalda por abajo. Good. Pecho afuera. Pompis atrás. That's it. Chest out. Butt back. Go. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now roll down. Hands on the thighs up. Exhale again. Abajo. Inhalamos. Good. Una más. Y arriba. Uh-oh. Here we go. Corre. That's it. Now take your arms. Let's go. Up. Vamos a volar. We're going to fly, ladies. Woo. That's it. Up. Corre, 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 corre. 8, 7, 6. Everybody should be able to count in Spanish. That's it. 4 more. 3 more. 2 más. Last one. Let's go. Put your sexy skirt on. Let me see you. Here we go. Ba. That's it. Ready, ladies? Let's go. Front. That's it. Swing that skirt. Mueve la falda. 8, 7, 6. Ese tiene frente atrás. 4, 3, 2, queda. Go. That's it. Corona. Abajo. And corre. Enfrente. Vamos a volar. Fly. That's it. Breathe. 4, 3, 2. Una más. Good. Yes. Sexy. Work those curves, ladies. Ready? Let's go. Salsa. Play the drums with your body. Toca los tambores con tus pies. Ha, ha. Cuenta conmigo. 8, 7, what? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, corona. That's it. Put that crown on. Work it. Good. Bring it down. Arms in front. Vibraciones. Da, 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 da. Let's go. Now turn it. Turn it. Ha. That's it. And inhale out. Woo. Exhale. That's it. We're going to grab your towels. If you don't have a towel, go get one. That's it. Arms up. That's it. Straighten your arms out. Estira los brazos. Good. Trabajando la cintura. Good. Todos los días. Bend the knees. Good. Stretch your body. That's it. Stretch. Now bend the elbows. That's it. 2 times. Here we go. 2 times. Go. That's it. Woo! You got it. Now we're going to do 4 and 4. 4, 3, 2. Estira los brazos. Arms up. 4, 3, 2. Take it down. Bring it up. Take it down. Stop. Bring it up. Estira. Abajo. Stretch those arms. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 2. And one more like that. Hug. Now hold it straight. Just the hips. Now sit down low. Down. That's it. We're going to go around the world. Vamos a ver el mundo. Hold. And up. Up. 2 más. 1 más. Arriba. Let's go. Ha. Now dobla. Brazos suave. Good. A la fiesta. Go to the party. Let's go. 4, 3, 2. Straighten those arms. Bend the knees. Around the world. Let's go. 1. Exhale. 2. Breathe. 3. 1 more. 4. Go. That's it. Woo. Shake it out. Shake it out. Shake it out. How are we doing? Woo. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it back. Good. Now we like to work that. Everybody tells me, I want to work that area, my lower back, the love handles. That's it. Now you're going to keep your arms straight. Keep them straight. Now move your booty side to side. Now move your arms opposite. That's it. Good. Right underneath that bra strap. You guys feel it? Yes. All you got to do is shake the hips side to side. We have hips for a reason, right? That's right. That's it. We use them to our advantage. That's it. Usando las caderas para mejorar nuestros cuerpos. That's it. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bend the knees, bring it up. Shake it side to side. Now move the arms. Good. Limpia los pompis. Clean the booty. That's it. Clean the booty. I did this on the show with Dr. Oz. He cleaned his booty with me. That's it. Let's go for 8, 7, 6, 5. Shake it, shake it, shake it. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it around. Take the rope, the towel, bend it, put it on your chest, and lean forward. That's it. Make sure the towel is touching your chest. And let's go. Side. Uh-oh, here we go. Let's go. Side, side, side. That's it. There we go. We're here with you. We're working out with you guys. Let's go. A little faster. Hit it. There we go. That's it. Good. Now lean forward a little bit more. I want you to rotate your rib cage. Mueve las costillas lado a lado. Codos por atrás. Respirando. Pompis atrás. Now mira, don't move, you guys. Keep your back flat. Mantenga su columna erecta. Así no. Espaldas así no. Estira. Levanta el pecho. Good. Siéntate. Mete abdomen. Sit down. Pull your abs in. Keep it going. Go. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now scoop it up. Good job. Exhale over to one side. Stretch. Other side. Good. Now you know for best results, do this video 3 times. Para mejores resultados, haz este video 3 veces en seguido. And good. Use your towel. Wipe off your sweat. So if you want more of these fabulous 10-minute workouts that you can mix and match to create your own routine, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube page at Tiffany Rothes Workouts. If you want my VIP full-on food plan and workouts, my A-team, you need to become a part of the Tiffany Rothes Fit Club and join at www.trfc.club. That's trfc.club.